Software designed by Timothy G. Layton, from the University of Southampton, generates sounds from other planets and predicts how human voices might sound in distant worlds. Extraterrestrial sounds can provide insights into properties that would otherwise require expensive equipment, and they could even be used to search for life. Layton's software will be showcased in planetariums and museums and will include actual sounds from the Mars Perseverance team in China's Zhurong mission. The software is also beneficial for designing and calibrating equipment like microphones and speakers. The project will be presented at the 184th meeting of the Acoustical Society of America, which brings together the acoustics and planetary science community.